This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sally Sparks. Come and see this adorable home nestled on a great level lot. Enjoy summer evenings on the screened-in porch out back viewing the fenced backyard, or nestle in front of the corner fireplace in the winter. Open floor plan boasts a large spacious kitchen with center island. Split bedrooms, a large laundry room and detached two-car garage add to the appeal. Brand new HVAC installed just in time for summer. Convenient access to downtown Knoxville or the mountains. You don't want to miss this. For more information, review the details below or contact Sally Sparks at 865-342-4200.